Wanted to show y'all what we've been doing today. This is the side of the house. We did a little bit of lawn mowing, but not much. And then Jim got to working on doing a little hand cutting for the trees and bushes and stuff. And this little area right here was just fully overgrown with all kinds of bushes and rainsucker trees, little bitty pines, and we've got that all cleaned out now. We're going to call this the grotto, and I'm thinking it would be an absolutely beautiful place to put up a little path and for maybe weddings or wedding receptions in nature under the trees. And then yesterday, Jim and I attacked the Bradford pears that line both sides of the driveway and got all the low hanging branches taken care of. And this is our driveway, and he cleared a lot of bush and trees and stuff away from the entrance, so when people come in they can see the house better and we can see traffic coming, what little there is. And he mowed my little enclosure over here that's going to be my kitchen garden next summer. And right now we're taking off those obnoxious yellow electrical wire attachments to the fence so they don't just look ugly. And of course we have a little welcome sign at the front. And here's the irony. Right under the private property, no trespassing. But this goes up to the front of our driveway, and as you can see, we cleared it back a little bit. I got a bunch of fun little yard ornaments here. I'll end up changing them around. And that's the street that we come in on. And the trees and woods over here are owned by a conglomerate up in New Jersey, I think. And then that's the tree that goes back to maybe 4, 5, 6, maybe total 8 other houses way down the road. So you see it's a long way away. And it actually leads to a Verizon cell phone tower, which is why we have 4 bars on our telephones here at the ranch, or at the Two Dogs Barking Farm. So say hi, Jim.
Hi, how are you?
So that's what we've been doing this week.